What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about CCIV. We've got some important news to talk about. If you are new here, please subscribe, hit that subscribe button. I can't believe we hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much again for all of the support. Also, give this video a like if you have enjoyed this or found it helpful, and also leave in the comment on what you think about today's video. Let's have a look at my CCIV holdings, see where they're at, how they're doing. Obviously it's the weekend, so the market isn't open, but for you guys who don't know how it's doing or from previous videos, let's just have a look, as I know you guys like seeing how it's doing. So obviously we were just under the $53 mark because of what happened with the big sell-off. As I did make a video on that, it was a bit mad, crazy on the Friday. And yeah, 69 shares we've got we're up 82%, which is amazing. Obviously I was up more before what happened, but still not bad returns at all. It's also very interesting because on the Discord I said, are we going to see a crazy power hour for CCIV? Are we going to go up because there could be news for it to merge on Monday, a Monday merger? But however, we've got some other news on a date where it could be merging, but I'll get into that in a minute. But yeah, on the Friday I was thinking, is this going to just rally up because of that? But instead we actually had a bit of a sell-off and institutions wiping people's stop losses pretty much. So it was a bit of a mad day. Luckily I didn't have a stop loss, to be honest with you, because I do believe that this is going to happen, and this is amazing for all of you CCIV shareholders. So as you can see on screen right now, so 55% of the shares are owned by institutions, so it's over that 50% threshold, which shows that this will be happening very, very soon. And we obviously have had some new news that it could be happening on a certain date, which I'll tell you about. So as you can see on screen, the company entity will be valued at as much as 15 billion, the people said, asking not to be identified because of the matter is private. And we knew that it was going to be between 12 to 15 billion. At first we thought it was going to be 12 billion because on the Bloomberg terminal it was saying $12 billion, but now on Bloomberg they're saying 15 billion it could be. And this is something I want to mention. Some people are really taking this negatively, and the reason why is because of this. So the higher the valuation, the less room it's got to grow, pretty much, short term anyway. So what they're saying is they want to get into Lucid Motors while the valuation is lower and cheaper, so it's got more room to grow in the future once it becomes Lucid Motors. However, obviously if they start making deliveries like NIO are doing, then they could start being valued at what NIO is valuated at, which is, I don't know if it's 60 or 80 billion, either or, one in between, somewhere around there. So we're way off that at the moment. So it's still got a lot more room to grow. And obviously we all know Lucid Motors could be a really big potential company, to be honest with you, in the American EV market. Hence why we're all invested and hyped up with Lucid Motors. However, obviously, as you probably all know, we are way above the valuations like it should be trading at in the stock market right now. So that's also not always good to hear. But then, and this is the other thing, people are saying that because of this new valuation, it will knock off $10 off the share price, and Monday it could react negatively. However, I don't think it will. I think because of the hype of this stock, it's mad how it's going, and that is, to be honest with you, that's now where we're at. It's a matter of how much hype we can bring with this stock to get it to where people want it to be. I know some people want it to be a $100 stock. So, and don't get me wrong, I do believe it could get to them points at some point. And I think it will actually get to that point without them doing deliveries and stuff, just because of the hype behind this company. But we all know there's potential of it being a $100 to $200 to $300 stock once deliveries come out and they're turning around good revenue. But just going off like hypeness and stuff like that, could it get to $100? Who knows? And a lot of people are reckoning it could. It's just one of those, it is just a case of is it or not? Like, it's just a case of how much hype is behind this stock. However, so Monday, what will outweigh the valuation of it will be the fact that we could be having an announcement on Tuesday. So a deal for the electric vehicle maker could be announced on Tuesday. Two of the people said the talks are ongoing but could still fall apart. I like how they said it could still fall apart, to just, I guess, cover the backs. And who knows, that's what I mean. It's still not 100%, but it's so likely now. Like, the amount of rumours that are going around, all the different pieces. As well, if you have a look here on the screen right now, Lucid and Klein have agreed on the key terms of the deal. And then as it's circled here, a deal might be disclosed as early as this month, according to the report. And that was before what this Bloomberg article came out. So it was getting to a matter of, well, February's running out of time now, like it has to be coming up. And that's why I thought it was going to be a Monday, because of Merger Monday, and it was the last Monday of February and we're going into March soon. So I was thinking this week has to be the week, and it looks like it could be now because of the Tuesday on the Bloomberg article. So, and with that showing the thing that it could be earlier this month, well, obviously we're later on in the month now, so yeah, are we going to start seeing the merge happening? People have been asking me, should I be buying into this stock right now? Should I be buying at these prices? And to be honest with you, it's hard to say, because if you bought in early at the stage where it was, well, $10 and $20, or even in the high 20s, which I'm at because of my average price averaged up, it gets more riskier as it's more expensive. However, if you're willing to take the risk, then yeah, because we could see $100 a stock, or in the high 80s or 90s. So if you're willing to take them risks, then yeah, go for it. But it is one of those now where it is a lot riskier now, because of it is trading at such high valuations. It shouldn't be at where it is right now, to be honest with you, but that's just because of it's an American EV company, and people see this as the American Neo and could rival Tesla. However, Tesla are Tesla. The thing is with Lucid, they're good quality cars, they look really nice, and yeah, so it's gonna be an interesting one. With the battery technology they have as well, it's just very interesting how this will go. And Peter Rowlinson, the former Model S engineer, it's gonna be interesting how it's gonna go. But like I said, is it gonna be a buy at these prices? And the thing is, we could open up on a Monday where it goes up tremendous amounts. We don't know yet, because obviously pre-market isn't open yet. So it'd be very interesting to see on Monday, but this is where it's up to you guys now. Do you wanna take the risk, or do you not wanna take the risk? I don't actually have any advice for that anymore, but all I can say is some people are saying they think it can reach $100 a stock because of the hype of the merge, and then it could fall a little bit, well, quite a lot after the merge actually happens, because it's just settling down a bit. But anyway, if you did enjoy this video, please hit the subscribe button if you are new. Also, give this video a like, comment below on your thoughts, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I've got a portfolio update later on tonight.